Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a full face spring inspired makeup tutorial. We're going to be using all drugstore makeup, foundation, concealer, setting powders, eyeshadow palettes. Everything is going to be super affordable. You guys know I love these types of videos, and if you love them, definitely subscribe to my channel for more, and also don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. It really helps my channel just to push it out and for more people like you, more makeup lovers like you, to see my content. So that is an awesome way to help me and just really support my channel. So with that said, you already know, grab your cafecito. Today I am drinking this delicious water and strawberry water. Lemon and strawberry water. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's go ahead and get started. Cheers to you. There's so many new eyeshadow palettes that I really don't know which ones to pick. So I went with some that are not crazy new, but I've never tried them. I've had them in my possession for a few months. These are from LA Colors. I have Let's Talk Tea Chai Latte palette, as well as the Matcha Mix palette. I really want to create something cute and like green. Again, super spring appropriate. And then the rest of the makeup is pretty new to the drugstore, as well as just some old makeup. So let's go ahead and start. I'm wearing a lip oil from City Color Cosmetics. This is their new Slick Lip Oil, and it smells so delicious. The packaging is so stunning. I'm going to start with applying some base to the lids just to get them nice and primed. This is new from Profusion Cosmetics. It is their pigment base eyeshadow primer in the shade Neutral. I have already tried this before in a previous video, and I actually really like it. The only issue that I have with this is, one, it squeezes out really easily, and two, it's not very like skin tone friendly. It's pretty light, and even though this is like the neutral tone, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tap that in. I mean, it's not bad, but if you are deeper in complexion, this is going to look almost white on you, and they do have a white base, and I just don't see much of a difference between this one and that one, but it's a good primer in case you guys are wanting something to kind of cover up the lids, any discoloration that you may have. I think this one is perfect. So look at the curlies. Oh. This is like my natural hair. My hair is naturally really curly. I've damaged my hair so much throughout the years, which I really regret because my curls are so dead. All right, so let's play with these two palettes. These are from LA Colors. Super affordable, you guys. These are probably either $5 or under $5. And like I said, they did release them a while ago, and I just never really paid attention to them. So today we're going to play with some of the colors and see what we come up with. Let's start off with the Let's Talk Tea Chai Latte palette. I want to get into this palette really quick because it has a beautiful like neutral shade, and I want to use that all over the brow bone. It might be a little too dark, but we're going to see if we can use this to kind of set the base. So it's a little more cream. It's not very vanilla-y, but that's okay. Do you see that? This base is so light that it kind of works out. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm just running that underneath the brow bone and almost on the edge to help me with the tackiness of the base. This is really pretty so far. Anyways, let's go back into the Latte palette, and let's see. I really want to use this green all over the lid, and then maybe we can use this one. So let's go in with the deep olive green, and I'm just going to pack it out here. Very pigmented, not chalky, which is pretty cool. And then I'm also going to bring it into the inner corners. I'm going to create a halo eye just to kind of switch it up a bit from my typical half-cut crease looks. I'm going to switch to the Morphe M139. This one is really nice because, as you can see, it's like skinny and tapered, and it fits really nicely into the curve of the crease. And I'm going to pick up that more like lime green color. I'm going to tap it in. Oh, that's nice and pigmented. It picked up quite a bit. And I'm going to use this as like a transitional shade. I'm going to go back into the palette and we're going to start applying the little center color. I don't know. I kind of want to work with these two. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of glitter base from J-Cats. And then we're going to apply some of those shadows. For lashes, I have 3 new styles from the brand Kiss. They make some of my favorite like drugstore lashes. So they released a Lash Couture Masterpiece, one-of-a-kind Lux Lash. This is Avant-Garde, which is this style right here. It's so pretty. I feel like I'm going to go with these. I also picked up Pret-a-Porter. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. If you know, you can tell me how you pronounce it in the comment section down below. But that's the second style. And then I also have Haute Couture, which is this one right here. So let me apply some glue to these lashes, whichever one I'm going to use, and then we can apply them together. Which one should I use, you guys? Tell me which one you would pick with this look, because honestly, all of them are beautiful. But I'm leaning towards this one now. I feel like with the halo eye, these are just going to look so pretty. So let me open them up. The lashes are really pretty and they're very comfortable. I'm not a big fan of this type of band on the lashes because it's a little bit thicker since the lash is so natural. But they are really pretty and I think they're like perfect for like everyday use. So I might have to apply like a little bit of eyeliner later on. We'll see once we complete the entire face. These are cute though. Okay, let's move on to the skin, you guys. So I really want to go for like a very flawless, matte, poreless skin since hello, mama is really oily. So for that, I'm going to take a little bit of my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer in matte. And I am going to push that onto the largest pores to ever exist. Just kidding. But yeah, I'm just going to mattify the skin right here. And then I'm going to take a little bit more and I'm going to mattify the forehead because I do tend to get super shiny right across the forehead, so right here. And then I'm just going to kind of leave the rest of the face alone. For my foundation, I want to use one from SheGlam, the Complexion Pro, or the foundation from SheGlam. This is super full coverage and it's matte. But what I love about it is that it's such a breathable foundation. Like, it doesn't feel heavy on the skin and it keeps me matte all day. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that all over. I'm probably just going to use 2 pumps and I am in the shade Sand. I'm going to do a little bit of cream contour, bronzing, and blush. So for my blush, I'm going to use Bellini by Profusion. For my concealer, I'm going to use the Catrice True Skin High Coverage Concealer. This contains hyaluronic acid, so it's very moisturizing for underneath the eyes. I am in the shade Warm Vanilla. And then for my bronzer, I'm going to use the Revolution Eye Bright Illuminating Concealer in the shade Caramel. This one is really nice. I had mentioned before that it was a bit watery, and it is. You just have to make sure that you like really shake it up. So let's go in with the concealer and I am going to just tap it in here and in here. I'm also going to take that to the bridge of the nose, a little bit to the center to balance it out. This is such a nice concealer. Honestly, every time that I use it, I'm like, wow, my skin looks so good. And then I'm going to apply some of the bronzer. If you guys have tried this, let me know how you like it. I know that this is like everywhere right now, and I like it. It's a good bronzer. It has a really nice color. I mean, it's technically a concealer, but you know. I'm also going to take that to the nose and to the jawline. For my blush, I have already tried these, but honestly, they're so good. I can't put them down. And I'm going to use this one. It is a little dark, but once you like blend it into the skin, it looks so pretty. It's more of a terracotta color. And then I'm just going to use my sponge and blend everything together. going to set the entire skin since I did use cream products. I'm going to use this one from Maybelline. It is the Fit Me Matte and Poreless in 220 Natural Beige. I actually got this one off of Amazon not too long ago. They had it on sale for like $3 or $2. It was super cheap. And I have never tried it and I really like it. It doesn't give you too much coverage, which is nice because I just literally wanted to set the skin. So I'm just going to tap that in. As you can see, it gives you a really pretty matte finish. And it's not cakey, it's not heavy. It's perfect. And then to set underneath the eyes, I'm going to use my J-Cat Lux Pro Powder in the shade Porcelain. This one is really nice if you're fair, but if you're medium skin tone like me, it gives you such a bright under eye. And then I'm just going to use my little powder puff, but I'm going to make sure that I don't have any creases, which I do. I like that this concealer actually doesn't crease on me too much. And then I'm just going to pat that in. I am looking a little pale. I think the foundation is a little too light for me right now. I am a little tan. So let's bronze up the skin. I'm going to use the Profusion bronzer. This is new to my collection and I've been loving it so much. It's like nice and pigmented and it has the most beautiful golden undertone. So I'm going to take a little bit of Maldives and Tahiti. And I'm just going to top it off. I'm going to tap it into the skin right here. And I'm actually going to skip out on the blush since I already have blush underneath the foundation. I'm going to hit the skin with a little bit of highlight. This one is pretty pigmented, so I'm going to use a tiny bit. It's the Catrice More Than Glow highlighter. It's so pretty. I do wish they had more colors though. I think they only have this one color and maybe like a pink. But you guys know I'm more of a golden highlight girl. Look at how pretty that is. It's like really intense. Boom, just like that. I'm going to hit the skin with a little bit of a setting spray really quick. And then I'm going to work on the lower lash line. For the setting spray, I'm just using this one by Milani. And then I'm going to let the skin dry a little bit. Meanwhile, off camera, I'm just going to work on the lower lash line, just using the same colors. I think I want to add, excuse the lips, I just powdered them, but I'm going to add a pop of color onto the waterline. This is the Pastel Dream Auto Eyeliner from LA Girl in Magic Mint. Now for the lips, I was looking at my lipsticks and I feel like this one's going to look pretty good with it. My hair's so crazy. I'm going to use the Sweet Tea lip liner from Morphe as well as the True Story liquid lipstick. I felt like the lip was a little too like flat and brown, so I added a little bit of the NYX This Is Milky Gloss and Milk and Honey, and I really like it, honey. So here you go, guys. This is a full face using all drugstore makeup, spring inspired. I think this look came out so beautiful, and I cannot believe these palettes are so affordable. The lashes are amazing. I actually got them from CVS and they had them buy two get one free and they're $9.99 each, so I thought it was a pretty good deal. What do you guys think of this look? Let me know if you guys are going to recreate it in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for being here. I love you all, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.